Matters were discussed before the beginning of time also. When it was alam amr only, no alam khalq, no creation. Then time actually started when there was the Big Bang, the creation of this universe. Now serial time started. The one dimension of the space separated from the rest of the three. And then again, after the doomsday, there is a time of akhirah. All this is one stretched, you may say, one stretched rope of time from eternity to eternity. And this is the biggest witness to what Allah is saying. Wal asr. This fleeting time is testifying. Innal insana lafi khusr, that all humans are doomed. Illa allazina amanu wa amilu salihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. Except those who attained, who got the real faith. Their thinking became right according to the actual realities of the existence. Then who fulfilled the practical requirements of their faith. Whatever was the logical sequence and consequence of what they believed, they fulfilled it. They might have to undergo hardships. They might have to bear persecutions, just as the Sahaba, Rizwanullahi ta'ala alayhim ajma'in. But they fulfilled the practical, logical sequences or consequences of their faith. Then they tried to spread the message of Allah, to convey to the others, to share this precious thing with others. Then they made jihad for the cause of Allah.